If you would like to take a glance at the list here, feel free to check out the video description. Today, we're going to talk about the best gas cans. For the 5th position, we have the Reta Innovations Fuel Can RGC1001. The Reta Fuel Can is made of a special plastic material and a special layering process that makes it 100% vapor-proof. The compact size and shape allow you to tuck it out of the way, and yet it holds an entire extra gallon of gas. The Reta gas can will fit in almost any motorcycle. At number 4, we have the Briggs Stratton 85060 6-gallon. It's the perfect solution to keep your medium to large size gas-powered equipment running all year. The ergonomically friendly design makes fueling your equipment easy and clean. The EPA and CARB-compliant spout includes a child-safe cap and prevents fumes from escaping, as well as unnecessary spills. The spout automatically shuts off once you release your downward pressure, preventing fuel and fumes from escaping. Midwest Gas Can 5-gallon 4-pack claims the 3rd position. The Midwest Gas Can 5-gallon 4-pack is made of durable HDPE with barrier materials to virtually eliminate hydrocarbon emissions. This can is designed with 2 handles for easy use and handling. In addition, this can's built with a wider base and lower center of gravity to reduce the chance of a can tipping over. And if it does, the spouts close automatically with an airtight seal. Up next, we have the RotoPacks RX 2G Gasoline Pack 2-gallon capacity. The roto-molded gas can is durable with thicker walls, and the stronger construction makes it leak-proof along with a Sure-Seal gasket to guarantee your spout leak-proof, along with a Sure-Seal gasket to make sure your spout won't leak. Thanks to a patented 3-layer roto-molding process, along with specially formulated plastic barrier materials to meet the government's new extremely low requirements. The top product on the list is the Nospill 5-gallon gas can. This can features a unique thumb-controlled fuel spout for easy controlled pouring. The design allows for more precise product fueling, reducing spills and overflows, with a 6-inch flex spout extension sold separately that will allow filling of an on-road vehicle, boats, or many other hard-to-reach tank openings. The rear handle for pouring makes it the most user-friendly, CARB-compliant 5-gallon can available. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.